Hey guys, Rodney Walker here with Get Funded Now, and I just want to talk to you right now. As you can kind of see, I'm walking across this bridge, and you kind of see here the stretch that I kind of got to go to. But this bridge is kind of symbolic of life, and to do grant writing and to get to where you're trying to go, if you're trying to learn this, or even if you're trying to do this as a business, there are certain things that you got to do, things you got to cross over, and I want to talk to you real briefly about what that looks like. Some of you are right now kind of in the beginning stages and you're wondering, can you do this thing? I know. Why? Because I was there too. I was afraid and wondering, like, man, do I have what it takes to do it? And I want to let you know that you do have what it takes, but you got to cross the bridge and get over fear. You got to get over doubt. And you got to get over, wondering what should I do, and getting stuck in just like the paralysis of analysis, like analyzing it too much. You got to get over that. You got to take action. So here's what I suggest you do. Ask yourself this. When you were in college, or even if you didn't go to college, have you ever had to write a 10-page paper? What about an 8-page paper? If you were able to do that, my friend, then you can do grant writing. Why? Because most grants that are submitted to foundations are only 8 to 10 pages long. So all you really need is to have the recipe to make it happen, and to really kind of understand what goes inside of one. And if you can get that and understand that, my friend, you can do it. So I'm almost across this bridge right now, but I'm hoping that you will get across the bridge of all those things I just made mention, and move forward and make it happen. You can do this. You can, okay? Now, I want you right now, leave a comment right below, tell me kind of where you're at, and remember, I have that free webinar called Grant Writing for Beginners. Go check it out, and I'll see you there. Take care. Be sure to like and subscribe. Take care. Bye-bye.